Hi friends, I am Lakshman. Welcome back to our channel. As I said in my previous video, today the topic is about share market. If you want to watch my previous video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start. What is share market? How it works? So I have to tell a small story to you friends. There was a businessman. He started a business named ABC Company with 1 lakh rupees and running it successfully. Now he want to expand his business so that he need 5 lakhs rupees. But he has only 3 lakhs, which is not enough to expand the business. He went to bank to borrow money. Due to more interest, he didn't like to borrow money from bank. Then he went to his friend and told him about his business model. His friend agreed to invest 3 lakhs rupees, but on one condition. The condition was, I will invest all the money, but you should not take any decision without my permission about ABC Company. The businessman did not agree and he rejected the offer what his friend gave. How to collect the money to expand the business? He had an idea. He had divided his company into 100 parts. Now he wants to sell 100 parts to some people. The price kept 3000 rupees each part. He went to a shop. Shop owner duty is meets the investors and company owner. The shop owner sold all the company parts. Investors bought all the company parts. Now the businessman got 3 lakhs money to expand his business. The company holder will share all the company's profit or loss to all investors. Now the shop named Bombay Stock Exchange, parts are named shares, share market called stock market or equity market. Now the businessman no need to give any interest to anyone and no need to take permission with anyone. The people who bought the parts named investors who invest in the share market. Share market called stock market or equity market, and all the investors will share company's profit or loss. People like us buy shares. Buyers can sell the shares to others unless they will not have any rights to go to the company and say it's my property. Bombay Stock Exchanges is an online platform. How we use Flipkart and Amazon to buy a product. This online platform is run from a building in Mumbai. How can we invest in share market? It needs a demat account introduced by many companies in India. I am using Profitmart Securities because low brokerage with maximum exposure with multi-exchange service in NSE and MCX. There are people who gained crores in the stock market. There are also people who have lost crores in the stock market. So we have to trade carefully. Before investing, we have to analyze fundamentally and technically to minimize the risk and maximize the return. How it is, I'll let you know. The growth of the BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, top 30 companies are measured by points as called as Sensex. The growth of the NSE, National Stock Exchange, top 50 companies are measured by points as called as Nifty. These two are like Amazon and Flipkart. How the same company product we can buy in both in Amazon and Flipkart, same shares we can trade in these two stock exchanges. The top 30 companies in Bombay Stock Exchange started with 100 points in 1979. Now it has crossed 40,000 points. The top 50 companies in National Stock Exchange started with 1000 points in 1992. Now it has crossed 11,000 points. The top 50 companies in NSE has grown so far since 1992. The stock market is open from Monday to Friday morning 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Both exchanges are having their own website, nseindia.com and bseindia.com. So friends, I hope now you got brief knowledge about stock market. Everything is okay. How to manage our fund, where to invest, where not to invest. I can give a small suggestion to you friends. Suppose if you have 100 rupees, you have to invest 20 rupees in stock market, 10 rupees in real estate, 10 rupees in fixed deposit, 10 rupees in mutual fund, and 20 rupees invest in house, car, gold, whatever you want, and 10 rupees for emergency fund. Invest in different places. It's called investment diversification. So friends, this topic is about stock market and other investment. In our next video, we are discussing what is fundamental and technical and how it analyze to minimize the risk and maximize the return. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification of my next video. Thank you friends.